All right, so let's do these next two piecewise functions. So this one, we have a line that goes here and a line that goes there. So we have to write, again, two separate lines for that. Try to get that one over here, f of x. And then the top one, we'll do this line right here first. So its slope, it looks like it's down 1 over 1. Yep, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So the slope of that one is going to be just x. And again, it's going down, so it's going to be a negative x. Okay? It's going to be a negative x. And it looks like it crosses the y-axis at, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive 5. So the y-intercept is positive 5. And it lives between x is 0 and x is 1, 2, 3. Again, from 0 to 3. And x is between them. So it's bigger than 0 and equal to, or less than or equal to 3. Now this line right here, it looks like its slope goes over 2 and up 1. So it'd be 1 over 2 is a half, and it goes up as it travels across. So it is a positive slope. All right, so it's a positive 1/2 x. And if we go down 1 over 2, right there, and down 1 over 2, looks like it's going to cross right in the middle there, right in the halfway point. So it'd be 1, 2, 3.5, which is 7/2. So 7/2, and that occurs when, let's clean this up here a little bit. Oops, didn't mean to do that. 7/2, and let's clean this up. And that occurs between 3 and, looks like 4, 5, 6, 7. So between 3 and 7. So x is going to be greater than 3, but not equal to, because notice it has an open circle there. But it is less than or equal to because it has a closed circle. So it's got to put that on the bottom down there for the 7. All right, so that's your piecewise function for number 2. I'm going to erase all of that so I have some room to write. Now this one, we have 3 equations. We have this one, and this one, obviously. But I usually start from the left and work my way right. So again, you're going to have f of x, and we're going to have 3 this time. So the first one is a negative slope, and it goes down, it looks like it goes down to right 1, so it's going to be a negative 2x, and it crosses the y-axis at 1, 2, 3. So plus 3, but it only lives between 0, that's supposed to be a 0, and 1, 2, 3 again. Oh, they like those 3s. So x is greater than or equal to 0, but less than 3, because notice the open circle there. Okay, this one is just a straight line going across horizontal, so it's just going to be where it crosses the y-axis, which is 2. So it's a positive 2, and it occurs between 3 and 4, 5. So x is less than or equal, or greater than or equal to a positive 3, but less than a positive 5, because that's an open circle. Then we have this equation right here. Its slope is up 1 over 3. It's also a positive slope, so it's going to be slope of 1/3 x, and it crosses the y-axis at, it looks like, ugly, negative 1, 2, 3, and 2/3. So that would be negative 11/2. So minus 11/2. And that occurs when x is greater than 5 or equal to 5, but less than 6, 7, 8 or equal to 8. Okay? So 1/3 x minus 11/2 when x is between 5 and 8. All right. Okay, that takes care of those piecewise rules.